Welcome to today's video where we will explore the concept of time and try to answer the question, what is time made of? Time is a fundamental concept that is essential to our everyday lives. We measure our days, months, and years in units of time, but have you ever stopped to think about what time really is? Is it a physical object that we can touch and see, or is it something more abstract and intangible? Before we dive into the concept of time, let's take a step back and explore what we mean by matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. We know that matter is made up of atoms, which are the building blocks of all matter in the universe. However, when it comes to time, it's not as clear-cut. Time is not something that has mass or takes up space, which means that it's not made up of atoms like matter is. So what is time made of? To answer this question, we need to look at how time is measured. Time is measured in units like seconds, minutes, and hours, which are all based on the motion of objects. For example, a second is defined as the amount of time it takes for a certain number of oscillations of a cesium atom. This means that time is closely related to motion and change. In fact, some physicists argue that time is simply a measure of change. This theory is based on the idea that the universe is constantly changing and evolving, and time is just a way to measure and record these changes. Others suggest that time is a dimension, just like length, width, and height. In this theory, time is considered to be the fourth dimension, which means that just like we can move up and down, left and right, and forward and backward, we can also move through time. However, both of these theories still leave us with the question of what time is actually made of. One possibility is that time is made up of particles called chronons, which are the hypothetical building blocks of time. However, there is currently no experimental evidence to support this theory. Another possibility is that time is an emergent property of the universe, which means that it arises from the collective behavior of many smaller components. In this theory, time would be made up of the interactions between particles and fields in the universe. At the end of the day, the question of what time is made of remains a mystery. We may never fully understand the nature of time and how it fits into our understanding of the universe. However, the quest to understand time and its role in the universe is an ongoing and exciting area of research for physicists and scientists around the world. In conclusion, time is a fundamental concept that is essential to our understanding of the universe, but we still have much to learn about what it's made of. Whether it's an emergent property of the universe, a dimension, or something else entirely, the search for answers will continue to drive scientific inquiry for years to come. Thanks for watching.